Hello everyone. We'll go over some updates on Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as the S&P 500 and NASDAQ and the Dow, and we'll also look at oil and the DXY. So let's see what has occurred over the last several weeks. I made my video update on the pricing a few weeks ago, and so far everything that I was forecasting has come true. So let's start out with Bitcoin and see what has occurred. We're looking at the 4-hour chart. Bitcoin has made a nice bottoming out structure here when it came down to this 98,000 level, and it is currently breaking to the upside. My forecast here is that BTC will be making new all-time highs here probably within this coming week, which is closer to 112,000, and then after that, my anticipation it'll continue to grow to 131,000, 159,000, 200,000, and beyond as this bull cycle continues. So keep a lookout for those levels here that I'm showing on my chart. But we are looking bullish overall, and the crypto markets are looking good. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum has also made a nice bottoming out structure on the 4-hour, right around here. Right around here. Similar to what BTC did. And it has broken bullishly above. And if you look at the larger time frame, everything is looking good and bullish. And at this point, my anticipation is Ethereum will take out the 4,000 level very soon within the next couple of weeks, and then the target is the all-time highs and beyond. And the targets for Ethereum are anywhere from 10,000 to 20,000 range. Can take it up to these levels during this bull cycle, which is continuing on currently. Let's look at S&P. So in my previous video, I was saying that S&P 500 will make a new all-time high soon, and it has done that now. It took out the previous high, and it is trading at all-time highs. And as I mentioned before, I'm looking at 7,000 to 8,000 S&P coming up here soon. It can go higher, but these are the next levels to watch. Okay, so very bullish stock market. Look at the NASDAQ. Similarly, I was saying NASDAQ will make all-time highs soon. It has done that. Bitcoin is lagging a little bit behind right now, but it is gonna very soon do the all-time highs, and it will outperform the S&P and NASDAQ over the next few months. So NASDAQ has made a nice all-time high. As I was saying before, I was watching 25,000 to 30,000 levels for NASDAQ. It is headed there next over the next few months. Let's look at Dow Jones real quick, see where it is. So Dow Jones, interestingly, looks a lot like Bitcoin. Bitcoin is very close to taking its all-time highs. So is Dow Jones. I anticipate that occurring very soon over the next week or two. And then it will go to 50,000 and above. Those are the levels above to watch after that. So let's look at oil real quick, and we'll close it out with the DXY. Here's oil. I was saying oil is going to drop due to the war going on that took place during the month of June between Israel and Iran. Price of oil surged as uncertainty rose, and notice what occurred. The June candle came and swept the liquidity up to here and then closed bearishly. I'm still anticipating oil to drop. So it will drop now that the war has settled down in the Middle East. and there are peace talks taking place. I think oil will settle down. There is still Ukraine and Russia war going on, but if that settles down, it will drop after that very fast. And as I was saying last time, I'm expecting price to come down to closer to $50 a barrel for oil. All right, let's look at the DXY. As anticipated, DXY has dropped more in June. I was saying that it's going to drop further, and my target was about 95, closer to this. I didn't hit it yet, but it's going to hit that soon here. And I drew out this box last month when I was making a forecast. That will probably occur here within the next month or two. It'll come hit this area around $91, $92. Uh, Eventually, not like immediately, over the next few months, it's going to come down to these levels. So just some levels to watch here. As I mentioned before, I'm anticipating it will come down here and it might even sweep these levels during this cycle, during this crypto bull run that is going on and the stock market bull run. I'm expecting dollar to drop down to these levels. So keep an eye on that. That covers everything. Everything is looking good. And as anticipated, prices are moving higher. BTC, Ethereum, uh, everything looks good for the next few months for the bull run to continue. Thank you for tuning in. Talk to you next time.